So from the pool, there's a door on the first level. And as we go into it, it's a tiny little step up. And this is where it looks like they had a pool table. This room is not heated or cooled. You can see that the vent is there open. You can see that too well. I'm going to keep the windows open here. But then there's a bathroom down here on this first level. And that's all sand on the floor, so lots of unfinished space. But lots of room for storage if you want to use it for that. And that bathroom there is not anything that they mentioned in the listing. Looks like an exhaust fan there. And the plumbing for the bathroom.